What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Miss Positivity. I'm back with another one. Right now, I am cooking up some Sunday dinner. What am I making? I am making some Southern fried chicken. You hear that right. I'm making some Southern fried chicken right there in that pot. And basically, here are the ingredients that I did use. So we have a little bit of adobo. We have a little bit of the Maggi. We have, you can see it there. There are all the seasoning that's there. And of course, we gotta have our scotchy. So again, that container is the actual flour. So once the chicken is washed, of course, with the vinegar and the lime, you already know, then we wanna make sure we drain the water off. We wanna make sure that I kind of pat it a little dry to get some of the excess water out. And then I actually season my chicken. All of the seasons was blended together. Again, into the container, there's a little bit of what was left. So black pepper and all the ingredients was blended together. And then I dropped the chicken there, coat it with the flour, and it is here in the pot. So I'm just gonna open it up slightly so you can take a look. There it is. Actually, the last time I told you I got this pot, which is really good. It's from Japan, and again, it's the fried chicken. So this came from TikTok. Okay, my spouse purchased it at TikTok. It does have the temperature settings. I did not put it in there, but because I don't need it. But this is from TikTok, and I like this pot because again, you're not getting the oil splashing up and messing up the whole, all of your stove, and you got to keep cleaning. So there it is. As you can see, I just put it in, right, very nice and brown, and you close it like such. There you go. And then here is where you actually would add the thermometer that will tell you when the oil is at a certain temperature and when it's cooked. But I've used it so many times that I don't even need it. So here we have it, Southern fried chicken again. And I'm going to make this with some sweet plantains that I have over there on the side. And I think I'll do some, let's see, I have mashed potato, or they're all depending on what my spouse wants. So I basically going to have my sweet plantain with some vegetables. I'm going to be doing some vegetables. I'll show you what that is when I actually get ready to prepare that. But here it is. Southern fried chicken, cooking at its best. I don't take anything for less. Anything I do, Miss Positivity, do it with her best. So thank you for coming back to my channel. I'll show you the finishing product once it's over. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so you know when I upload another video. Thank you again for watching.